So it's time for me to do like annual stuff for the camper, and I haven't done it since we've owned it. So first thing I started with was doing the truck. So the truck got cleaned inside and out, tire treatments, and it got a little like paint touch up. This is an old paint touch up I did, but see if you can see that, you know, there's a crack there. I did one on the door, but I can't really show you because I actually did a good enough job that you can't see it. But I bought paint touch up, and it was just like missing paint here. I could feel it there, but you can't really see it. But it was chipped off, and I touched up that. Everything got clean. I'm going to take you down to the trailer, show you the touch-ups I did there. So touch-ups with the trailer. Looks like our birds are happy. So trailer, it's been going through a lot of cleaning. You ready to go camping this Thursday?
Yeah, I
Yeah, you're not sure?
happy mood.
Alright, fair enough. So if you look at this, you'll see that there are seals everywhere. They're not particularly thick. They're done like more professionally, like you would do your tub, like to look nice. And they're just everywhere. And honestly, if I'm the guy tasked with sealing this thing, I would miss something because of all the folding parts. There's just too much to seal. But I just want to show you like stuff that has been done. So like under here was just kind of mist, and new sealant is white, so you can kind of see it. It sticks out. You know, little edges here where water might be able to seep in. We have never had a water problem or even a hint of one. I'm just being overly precautious. You'll see that the sealant has been done. And then this is a strange one. Everything was lined that could be lined with sealant. And this, except this line right here. This line in the rear by the tire was never caulked. So it does have an overhang piece and has never let in water. It has an overhang piece, plus this is a plastic seal that's jammed in. But just to be sure, we went ahead and sealed that. You know, and just like other little things that we thought, you know, maybe water can get in. Then you can see it's kind of dirty. So today's project is a wash and wax. But I had to, a kit that I could strap to my hose or hook to my hose to reach. Because even if I have it folded down and I'm on a stepping stool, I can't reach there. As you can see, parts of this just remain dirty because I'm too short. So let's see how that goes today. Soap-a-dope. Rub-a-dub. That's that. You're about to be naughty and touch that bubbles, aren't you? Bubbles. So the other thing that I did add for this trip coming up this Thursday was one of these. The inside trash idea that we tried just didn't. The baby would just get into it. So this will be outside, and we can actually just take all our trash home because we only do like in on a Friday, out on a Sunday. So we can just take our trash home and dump it. I think this will work. Getting it to stay on there wasn't easy, but it's on there now. So we'll give that a shot. You're gonna do it, aren't you? All right. Got a little shower. Just got set up just in time. A little bit of rain on me there. Ball. And I don't know where. Maybe it's down there.
It's down there.
Is it down there? There it is. Woohoo! Found it. Careful, don't bump your Nagadoodle. Did you get your ball? All right. You got it. Show me that ball. Mommy, catch. And, oh man. Down it goes. Got a little rain. But we're all set up. We got the AC going. We're all sealed off. We got water. Very aggressive water and electric. It's time to camp. Listen, are you going dipping tonight? Let me see what's going on here. Up.
Me. Only a few at a time, honey bunny. What do you want to dip?
Dipping dinner. Tuna, whitefish, or spinach artichoke. And you can dip bagels, pretzels, or black bean. What are these jams? Sun chips. Let's go. Did you have some peanut butter? Yeah? It's delicious? Is it from that? Peanut butter. It's the... Maybe. Did you find the choo-choo trains? Choo-choo trains. Choo choo. Yeah, I would do the whole front fairing of my bike like that. That's sick. Why don't you guys go there? Oh yeah, go there. Makes sense.
How do we know which direction you go?
The road over which you're traveling today is one of the oldest railroad rights of ways in the entire world. It was given to the Strasburg Railroad Company by an act of the Pennsylvania legislature on June 9, 1832. For nearly 2 centuries,
Red Caboose Motel.
In Strasburg. This is certainly not an enterprise that sprang up yesterday, but over 8 generations of passengers have rode the road to paradise before you folks boarded our coaches today. Now, the Strasburg Railroad is not only one of the oldest public utilities in all of Pennsylvania, it's also the oldest railroad in continuous operation on the entire continent of North America. The railroad is owned by a group of local stockholders, and it was back in 1958 when 24 dedicated railroad bus purchased admission charge. But this farm represents another way that our local farmers are working to adapt their farms in the face of an ever-increasing development pressures. Cherry Hill is next. Cherry Hill. I want you to notice the sign on the Cherry Hill station just up ahead off to your left, very close to the tracks. Now, a light might look small to you, but that's simply because, well, we go by it at such a tremendous rate of speed. That sign there reads population 17 more or less. That is more when we arrive, and a whole lot less when we leave. occasionally will stop here to meet the other train. This is one of the very few places in the country where two steam-powered trains can pass each other on a regular schedule. Another place just
The cheese looks delicious.
So this is a strange thing. They now are Wilbur Chocolate Store, and that store is in the parking lot. That used to just say Lidditz, and it was Lidditz Chocolate Factory. But story goes from one of the employees that was talking to me, so something about too expensive to update the place. Let's put it up for sale. Some buyer buys it. Puts condos and a marketplace and a restaurant into it and moves the shop there. Everything changes all the time. But still, the first place that the chocolate kiss was made, Wilbur, not Hershey. So if you're in Lancaster, it's a place to check out.
It's probably pretty cozy in there.
So we're at the RV show, and there's 10,000 things to see and people to see. But you found a spot and a book. Yeah, that's a nice book. It's great. Say bye-bye. Bye, everyone.